Hello everyone. Welcome back. Today we're practicing 260 sentences from A to Z. Listen first, then repeat. Let's begin. Letter A. I always arrive on time. She has an amazing talent for painting. We appreciate your help. The answer is simple. He apologized for being late. I'm afraid of heights. They agreed to meet tomorrow. The film is absolutely brilliant. She acted quickly in an emergency. I aim to improve every day. Letter B. I believe in hard work. The book is on the table. She bought a new car. We're building a better future. He broke the world record. I borrowed some money from my friend. The bridge connects two cities. She behaved very professionally. We belong to the same club. I'm busy with work today. Letter C. I can speak 3 languages. She chose the red dress. We celebrated his birthday yesterday. The computer crashed during the meeting. He created a beautiful garden. I'm curious about science. They communicate well together. She confirmed the appointment. We considered all the options. I concentrate better in the morning. Letter D. I decided to change jobs. She described the situation clearly. We developed a new strategy. He delivered the package on time. I don't understand the instructions. They discovered a hidden treasure. She discussed the problem with her manager. We drove through the mountains. He dropped his phone. I dream about traveling the world. Letter E. I enjoy listening to music. She explained the rules carefully. We expected better results. He encouraged me to try again. I'm excited about the trip. They expressed their opinions freely. She earns a good salary. We entered the building quietly. He established a successful business. I examine every detail carefully. Letter F. I feel tired today. She found her keys in the car. We finished the project early. He forgot to bring his wallet. I'm focusing on my health. They followed the signs to the station. She formed a study group. We faced many challenges. He fixed the broken window. I failed the test but learned from it. Letter G. I'm going to the supermarket. She gave me excellent advice. We got married last year. He grew up in a small village. I'm grateful for your support. They gathered information online. She gained valuable experience. We guessed the answer correctly. He graduated from university. I'm going to improve my English. Letter H. I have 2 brothers. She helped me with my homework. We heard strange noises outside. He hoped for better weather. I'm happy with my progress. They held a meeting yesterday. She handed me the documents. We hurried to catch the train. He hid the present in the cupboard. I'm hungry for lunch. Letter I. I'm interested in history. She introduced me to her family. We invited them to dinner. He improved his skills quickly. I imagine living by the sea. They included everyone in the discussion. She informed us about the changes. We installed new software. He insisted on paying the bill. I'm impressed by your work. Letter J. I joined a gym last month. She jumped over the fence. We joked about old times. He just arrived from London. I'm judging a competition tomorrow. They justified their decision. She juggled work and family life. We're on a journey together. He jotted down some notes. I enjoy jazz music. Letter K. I keep my promises. She knows the answer. We kicked the ball to each other. He's kind to everyone. I kissed my children good night. They knelt down to pray. She knocked on the door twice. We knew it would rain. He kept his word. I'm keen to learn more. Letter L. I love learning new things. She left early this morning. We're living in interesting times. He laughed at the joke. I listened carefully to the instructions. They're looking for a new house. She lost her umbrella. We learned from our mistakes. He led the team to victory. I'm late for the meeting. Letter M. I made breakfast this morning. She met her husband at university. We moved to a new city. He mentioned your name. I'm managing the project. They missed the bus. She married her best friend. We measured the room carefully. He's motivated to succeed. I'm making progress every day. Letter N. I need more time. She noticed the difference immediately. We're nearly finished with the work. He never gives up. I'm nervous about the interview. They named their baby Emma. She's a nurse at the hospital. We needed help urgently. He nodded in agreement. I'm not sure about that. Letter O. I often go for walks. She offered to help me. We opened the windows. He owns a small business. I'm organizing a party. They observed the birds carefully. She obtained a degree in medicine. We overcame all obstacles. He ordered pizza for dinner. I'm optimistic about the future. Letter P. I practice English every day. She passed the exam easily. We're planning a holiday. He plays the guitar beautifully. I prefer tea to coffee. They prepared dinner together. She presented her ideas confidently. We're proud of our achievements. He promised to call me. I'm patient with myself. Letter Q. I questioned his decision. She quit her job last month. We queued for tickets. He's quite tall. I quickly understood the problem. They quarreled about money. She qualified as a teacher. We're looking for quality products. He questioned everything carefully. I'm quiet in the mornings. Letter R. I read books every evening. She remembered my birthday. We're ready to start. He reached the top of the mountain. I'm really excited about this. They received the news yesterday. She recommended a good restaurant. We're relaxing this weekend. He refused to give up. I respect everyone's opinion. Letter S. I study English regularly. She said goodbye to her friends. We sold our old car. He showed me the photos. I'm sorry for the mistake. They started a new business. She spoke confidently at the meeting. We succeeded in our goals. He suggested a different approach. I'm satisfied with the results. Letter T. I think about the future often. She told me an interesting story. We're trying our best. He taught me how to cook. I'm thankful for everything. They travelled around Europe. She trusted her instincts. We tested the new system. He's tired after work. I turned left at the traffic lights. Keep going. Letter U. I understand your concern. She's usually on time. We used all the ingredients. He's upset about the news. I'm unable to attend the meeting. They're upgrading the software. She's upstairs in her room. We're uncertain about the weather. He's uncomfortable in crowds. I'm unique in my own way. Nearly finished. Letter V. I visited my grandmother yesterday. She's very talented. We voted in the election. He's a volunteer at the hospital. I value your friendship. They're viewing the house tomorrow. She's on a vegetarian diet. We're on vacation next week. He varied his routine. I have a valid passport. Almost done. Letter W. I want to learn more. She waited patiently. We're working from home today. He watched the sunset. I'm worried about the exam. They won the competition. She wrote a beautiful poem. We walked along the beach. He welcomed us warmly. I'm willing to help. You're doing amazingly. Letter X. I examined the X-ray carefully. She's extremely talented. We explored the ancient ruins. He exceeded our expectations. I'm excited about tomorrow. They exchanged phone numbers. She exclaimed with joy. We experienced something amazing. He expressed his gratitude. I'm exhausted from the journey. Just 2 more letters. Letter Y. I'm young at heart. She's yelling with excitement. We're yearning for adventure. He yielded to pressure. I'm in my youth still. They yawned during the film. She said yes to the proposal. We're meeting yesterday's friends. He's in the yard outside. I love yellow flowers. Last letter now. Letter Z. I'm full of zeal for learning. She lives in a different time zone. We visited the zoo last weekend. He's focusing on his goals with zest. I reached 0 mistakes today. They're zooming through the work. She's zipping up her jacket. We're zeroing in on the target. He's in the zenith of his career. I've completed the entire alphabet. Fantastic work today. You practiced 260 sentences covering the entire alphabet. From A to Z, you've improved your vocabulary. Keep practicing every day. See you next time. Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.